Okay, welcome to this very tutorial once again. In the previous video we looked at the dashboard overview, but in this very tutorial we are going to look at the Elementor builder. Okay, so we have what is called the Elementor builder. That is simply what we can see here on the screen. It is a builder that can help us build our posts and our pages, okay, on the WordPress. Now, this Elementor builder is a plugin that we are simply going to install in the course of this very tutorial, and it's a simple drag and drop kind of builder. Okay, it's not something difficult. You don't have to write any code. You don't have to. It's just something that you drag and drop it, and just drag the widget and drop it in a particular section or column. We are going to learn about that. I want to just introduce us to it so that we'll have a heads up. Okay, so just a drag and drop kind of builder, simple to use, very efficient, and then that's what I'm going to use for this very tutorial. Okay, so let's go to the other stuff that we have. We're going to look at the WordPress dashboard, media dashboard. So what is the WordPress media dashboard? Okay, have you heard of the WordPress media dashboard before? Okay, if you have not, let's look at it. If you have, no problem, let's still look at it. So the media is a tab in your WordPress admin sidebar, which is used to manage user uploads, that is images, audio, video, and other files. Okay, under the media menu there are two screens. We're going to look at those two screens. The first screen is the library list. Okay, and the other one is the add new. So we have here that the first screen, library list library, list all the files in the media library. Those files can be edited and deleted from the library. The second screen is add new, which allows users to upload files. Very simple. We're going to look at this stuff. Okay, let me just quickly go to that stuff before I go to the next slide. So what we have here is the media. Okay, and just like I said, we have two screens. We have the library and we have the add new. Okay, when you go to your media library, you'll be able to find all that you have stored already, all the medias that you have stored. So I have a video I've stored, I have an audio, I have a document, a PDF document, and a Word document I have stored here already. And we have two viewing patterns. We have this viewing pattern, and then we have also the grid viewing pattern. Okay, we have these patterns here. So let's look at how we can add new media, new stuffs to this our media library. Either you go to the add new here, or you click this add new from this place. So let me say I go through this add new. Okay, once I get to this point, I'll just have to click select files, and I'll have to go to documents. I'll go to this place here, I'll go to teach. Okay, so we have this stuff here. Okay, so I want to add some of this stuff. So let me just add one. If I want to add one, I'll just simply click this and then I'll click open. Okay, but if I want to add more than one, all I need to do is to hold down the control button. Just hold down the control button and select as many as I want. So let me just select these three and click open. So as you can see, they are all loading right now. Okay, soon be done, soon be done. Okay, so we have them right now. Okay, and if I go to my library, let's go to our library, we can see them. Okay, they are already here. And we have this stuff, we have them here. That's just the same way I added this Elementor video and this audio Tears of Joy. Just go to add new and then choose the video, open, and it exports or it imports into this place. Okay, that's just how simple it is. So we can view it, we can delete it permanently, and we can edit here as well. You can edit in case you want to change the image, you want to change the caption, you want to have some other stuff, you can, or delete permanently, you can do all of that here. Okay, then this alternative test is very important. Okay, it is used, it can help us in our search engine optimization, so it's necessary that we have that. So let me just copy this guy, control copy this guy, and then I'm pasting it here, control V. Okay, so that's pursue. And in case this image does not show, this alternative test will show up for it. And just like I said, it can also help us in our search engine optimization. So once you are done with anything, you have to hit the update button and it is updated. If I want to edit, I'll have to just hit this edit, and as you can see, I can flip it, I can turn it around, and I can do whatever I want to do from this place. Okay, I can crop it if I want, maybe it's too large, I want to remove some stuff, I'll just have to crop it, and I want to rotate it left, I can simply do all of that. Okay, so that is, so when you are done, just like I said, you just hit the update button. Let me go back to the media, and we have that here. Okay, now we can also delete these stuffs in bulk. First, select this file. As you can see, they are all marked here, files. Okay, and I can select a bulk option that delete permanently, and I'll click apply. Once I hit this apply, I don't want to do that. Once I hit this apply, it deletes all of them. Okay, so I can also mark the ones I want to use, just mark them. Once I'm done marking them, I will hit choose one of the options, maybe delete permanently, and I will apply that. Simple as ABC, and we have those ones marked deleted immediately. Okay, so we can also filter. We can filter according to audio. For instance, now if I choose audio, I click on filter, it will just bring out the audio. So I can filter audio, I can filter images. So let me just look at these images. I'll click filter right now, and as you can see, I have filtered the images. So we can do all of that. Okay, that's very simple, right? So I believe you've learned something in the course of this very short tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are simply going to look at smaller stuff. We are going to look at how to start building our websites using the Elementor Builder, how to select our themes, how to customize our theme, and how to use Elementor Builder with the theme that we chose. Okay, so stay around, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.